this chapter is a civics chapter. Okay, we learned one chapter of history, one chapter of geography, right? Lesson number two, motions of the earth, revolution, rotation, and now we are going to learn the third chapter, which is related to our civics part, that is government. If you remember in the sixth class, right, we have seen lots of things about government. Before the starting the government lesson, we saw I made you understand about the three tier systems of government, right? So slowly and slowly we are stepping ahead, right? And we are learning now about government. Now, many times what happens, beta, early in the morning you might have seen your parents reading newspapers. Have you seen?
Yes.
So what
Yes.
are they? So what do you see in that newspaper? Basically, what do you see? Basically, what do you see? Some news, advertisements, reports, and all this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, some newspapers, some headlines. ओके इफ यू सी अगर आप आपके सामने कहीं घर पे आप अभी घर पे ही हो तो आपके सामने कोई न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा हो यू कैन सी देयर आर सम हेडलाइंस like GST, weapons against corruption, Indo-French nuclear handshake, government opens FDI floodgates, and all this. Nowadays, it is about COVID-19, vaccinations, and all this, right? So, all this
Yes.
information is what? It is what? It is what the government is doing for the upliftment of the people, for the upliftment of the society, for the upliftment of our country. We get all the information via media. Okay. Now, how media works, what is report writing, what is news writing, all this is not the topic that we are going to discuss right now. Maybe in your grammar part, you will have report writing. You must have done that. Or the, how a reporter reports is a report writing. Right now, our topic is how the government works. The reporter's role is to report it to the public. Okay. Okay, how the government is working for the upliftment of people because my dear students government is selected by us. We are Indians. India has a democratic government where we are the one who are selecting our leaders by the process of voting. Of course you are not a part of it right now because at the age of 18 one gets the right of voting, right girls? So you are not right now a part of voting, but yes, your parents, your grandparents, your elder brothers and sisters who are above 18, they go for voting and elect the members, right? For our
Yes.
for our upliftment. They know what is good for Malkani Rabia. Your parents can think what is good for Kadri Rabia. They know how Insha will be benefited if she gets the right to go to school. Your parents know कि इस लीडर को लाने से लड़कियों की सुरक्षा और बढ़ेगी, है ना? So they will select that leader. They know કે my child કે ઇન્શા માટે કે પછી ऐमन માટે કે પછી આઈના માટે કે પછી મોબ આફરીન માટે કે મંસૂરી આફરીન માટે આ ગવર્મેન્ટ વેક્સિન જલ્દી લાવશે તો એ લોકો ઈ ગવર્મેન્ટને વોટિંગ કરે ઈ લીડર્સને વોટિંગ કરે રાइट so that everyone will be get vaccination and everyone means what मैं आपका एग्जांपल क्यों दे रही हूँ आपको समझ में आए कि गवर्नमेंट किस लिए वर्क करता है गवर्नमेंट वर्क फॉर द पब्लिक do you get now what is government that we will see in this what are the functions of the government जैसे मैंने आपको बोला पब्लिक वेलफेयर पीपल के लिए काम करना हाँ मतलब पब्लिक वेलफेर के लिए પીપલ વેલફેર એટલે શું કે મંસૂરી ऐसा મંસૂરી આફરીનનો બર્થડે કેવી રીતે સેલિબ્રેટ કરવો ઈ ગવર્મેન્ટનું કામ નથી હે ને મોબનું ઘરે કોણ કોણ મહેમાન આવશે that government will not see but on unemployment major things like unemployment literacy illiteracy corruption all this is to be counted in the functions of government right importance of government right કાદરી રાબિયા સ્કૂલે કેવી રીતના જશે that is not the role of government but yes કાદરી રાબિયા સ્કૂલે પહોંચવા માટે રસ્તો સારો છે કે નહીં that is the lookout of government do you understand my point the road constructions, the railway constructions, right? If Malkani Rabia wants to travel from one country, one city to another city, one country to another country, the facility which is there, that is the role of government. Do you get my point? Now, government at different levels. Okay, I said you, legislative assembly, executive committee, and the judiciary committee. Judiciary are the three organs of government. Okay, કે એ ગવર્મેન્ટ જ્યુડિશિયલ લેજિસ્લેટિવ નો શું વર્ક હોય છે કોઈને યાદ છે
મેમ તમારો વોઇસ બહુ સ્લો આવે છે, થોડુંક
हाँ
જોરથી બોલો.
मैम.
હવે નાવ
क्लियर.
યસ.
ઓકે તો પહેલા હું જે બોલી એ બધું સાંભળ્યું કે નહીં
हाँ मैम.
ઠીક છે ઓકે સો legislative assembly executive and judiciary anyone remembers in short कि इनका वर्क क्या होता है we learned in the sixth class I explained you though it was not in our topic I explained you okay no one remembers
What मैम?
legislative, executive, and judiciary organs of government. Anyone remembers?
No, ma'am, I forgot.
Take example of the okay. You all are coming to school, right? No doubt nowadays you are coming to e-classes, but whenever you are coming to school, you have to wear a uniform, you have to pay the fees, right? You should have the class books, right? You should follow the discipline, you should not speak bad words, abusive language नहीं use करनी चाहिए. All these are the rules which are formed by the principal and the administrative department, right?
Yes.
Right. So principal is the legislative assembly, main head, right? Right. So what
Yeah.
has he done? He has framed the laws. What has he done? He has framed the laws. उन्होंने laws बनाए हैं. क्या किया है? What has he done?
Laws बनाए.
हाँ तो जो लॉस बनाते हैं हमारे कंट्री में लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली बनाते हैं कौन बनाते हैं हु मेक्स द लॉस
Principal.
legislative assembly okay okay
Okay.
then अच्छा उन्होंने लॉ तो बना दिए पर मन ही मन में थोड़ी ना रखेंगे he will execute it right he will say to the head teachers and teachers that these laws are to be followed okay
Yes.
so comes executive committee जो laws जो legislative assembly ने जो laws frame किए हैं जो laws बनाए हैं उसको execute करना is the role of executive committee clear I'm not getting answers let me see all of you are there
Yes. Screen visible नहीं है.
huh screen
मैम
means
आपकी स्क्रीन
I'm not talking of screen I'm asking you some questions and you all are not answering me back
Ma'am,
मैम
I am.
व्हाट मैम
हाँ बोलो से बोलो yes girls please answer my questions
यस मैम
will I get the answers so I'll proceed my screen
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, please repeat question once.
Yes. 1 minute. So what will executive committee do? Executive committee will execute the laws which are framed by the legislative assembly. Okay. Chalo. What will executive committee do, beta? Execute the laws to the public, right? And what will
Yes.
judiciary do? Judiciary will see that the laws are followed or not and punish if they are not followed. Suppose if I give you for example, अगर अगर आप अगर कोई ऐसा लॉ है कि सिग्नल पे रेड सिग्नल पे you have to stop and if you don't stop then the police will catch hold of you and he will fine you. So all this is what the role of judiciary. Okay. So basically, what is government that we will see in this lesson?
Ma'am, can I read?
Your
Ma'am,
good
I want
name?
nine.
Deraya Fizan.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
can.
Please read better.
Okay, ma'am. 3.1 Some newspapers headline. You must have come across the word government in newspapers, radio, and TV. What is government? What function does it perform, and what is its importance in our lives? We will study about the government in this lesson. You must be
What was me? Aware.
aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, take decisions, and implement them. For example, where should school and roads be constructed? Should the rates of different commodities be increased or decreased? How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Decisions such as these are usually taken by the government. Thus, the government performs a very important function. We come to know about the government's work through the media.
Very good. Very good.
Box A.
Huh? Yes, you must have come across the word government in newspapers, radios, सरकार जिसको बोलते हैं आपने पढ़ा होगा गुजराती न्यूज़पेपर अगर आप पढ़ो तो उसमें
Yes.
सरकार दिखाता है ना and radio TV. What is government? What function does it do, perform, and what is its importance in our lives? We will study about government in this lesson. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, है ना? As per the constitution, the country needs to make laws. Yes or no? Take decisions and implement them. And to do what, beta? And to implement them. For example, where should schools and roads be constructed? Should the rates of the different commodities be increased or decreased? है ना? Commodities means the products, right? Should be increased or decreased. How to ensure that electricity is provided to everyone, supplied to everyone. Decisions such as this are usually taken by the government. By whom it is taken?
Government.
Yes. Thus, government performs a very, very, very important function. We come to know about the government work through the media, like this way, the newspapers, and of course, nowadays WhatsApp, Insta, and many things. We come to know about the different works of government. Hmm. Understood till here, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to read. Aina.
I know, revise this paragraph. What I
Okay.
explained.
3.1 some newspaper headlines. You must have come across the word government in newspapers, radio, and TV. What is government? What function does it perform? And what is its importance in our lives? We will
Seriously, like,
study life. We will study about the government in this lesson. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, take decisions and implement them. For example, should where should schools and roads be constructed, and should the rates of different com-
commodities.
commodities be increased or decreased? Uh, have to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone. And decisions such as these are usually taken by the government. Thus, the government perform a very important function. We come to know about the government's work through the media.
Yes. So all this is about government, right? Understood everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will
Yes,
see functions of the government, and the second part is importance of the
ma'am,
government.
can continue.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is it asking for permission?
Ma'am, can I continue?
We'll give some other chance. Anyone asking for permission? Anyone
Ma'am,
wants
can I
it?
read?
What is your good name?
Humaira.
Yes,
Ma'am, can
Humera
I
is
read
there.
it, ma'am?
Humera will read it now. Humera,
Okay,
read
ma'am.
beta. Humera,
Function of the government. The government is like managing committee. Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, employment, literacy,
employment,
health,
nahi,
etc.
unemployment.
It also provides various facilities like making half priced food grains available through ration shops, assistance during disasters and calamities, establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and runs services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries.
Humera, your reading skills are very good, Humera. You
Ma'am,
are
shall I?
no, you are making some pronunciation problems, but I think if you keep continuous reading, you can improve your reading more. Say, for example, you made a mistake in reading managing committee. Use it is concerned. Okay, concerned. You didn't spell pronounce properly. Assistance, as well as in some the past calamities, disasters and calamities. But you were doing good. Good job. Very good. Revise it with the corrections, beta. Homera,
Yes, ma'am.
with the corrections. Revise. Bolo फिर से.
Functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. Usually in democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also
Nations. Nation नहीं. Nations economic conditions. Okay, and in the first line, usually in democracy, no, usually in a democracy. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Continue. Continue,
It is
Humera.
concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making half-priced food grains available through ration shops, assistance during disaster and calamities, establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and runs services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries.
Very good, Humera. Very good. Good job. All of you are doing good job. Okay. So the government is what beta? Basically, Aina, Ayman, Insha, government is like a managing committee. Okay, Rabia? Humera, it is what? It is like a managing committee. Usually in a democracy, okay, government works for the as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. How does it work, beta? As per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. कैसे work करते बेटा government? Wishes of the people and for their welfare.
Welfare.
हाँ राबिया wishes of the people એટલે એવું નહીં હા કે you plan out કે wish out કે ભાઈ I want to have a party in Rangoli Park, so how government will plan for it? Not like that way. Understood? It is in for
Yes.
people, है ना? तो आप तो ऐसा बोलोगे कि people तो हम बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठा होंगे तो people ही होंगे ना? हाँ, पर मैंने क्या बोला कि सिक्योरिटी आपकी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि राबिया वहां पहुंच रही है उनके फैमिली के साथ तो रोड्स है कि नहीं प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी है कि नहीं सिक्योरिटी कैसे मैनेज होती है लाइक पीपल विल नॉट रॉब यू इन मिडल है ना रंगोली पहुंचते पहुंचते मीन्स police will be there who will be taking care of keeping a watch on everyone case no one is committing any crime है ना तो ये सारा काम है गवर्नमेंट का अंडरस्टूड आप सोच रहे हो कि विशेष ऑफ द पीपल तो चलो हम ऐसा पार्टी थ्रो कर दे ऐसा नहीं है ना ऐसे प्लानिंग नहीं करती गवर्नमेंट गवर्नमेंट हाँ वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए रोड्स है उस होटल में वाटर फैसिलिटी है कि नहीं उस होटल में जहाँ आप प्लान करते हो जाने के लिए तो मतलब कि व्हाट कि वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है कि नहीं all the things these things are looked at by government right so the government also takes a various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people ये तो हो गई हमारी बात पर अगर किसी को कोई सोशल प्रॉब्लम है इकोनॉमिकली फाइनेंशियली कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कोई लोअर क्लास पीपल हो मिडिल क्लास से नीचे राइट तो फाइनेंशियली दे फेस लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक दे कैन नॉट गिव देयर चिल्ड्रन एजुकेशन they cannot get a job they cannot get two times bread to eat right so to provide them food for free education for free water for free all this is yes of course hospitality to hospitals they can go to hospitals for free in government hospitals ये सारे वर्क भी गवर्नमेंट के ही है राइट वी कैन नॉट डू ऑल दिस वर्क टुगेदर अगर हम एक यूनिट भी बने तो भी हम हर जगह नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे yes of course if we form a unit if we unitedly stand then we can protect some 50 people or 100 people take care of them but to all over the country where India is a very big country with a second standing in second is the population it's very hard to manage you can criticize that government is not doing this work government is not doing that work ऐसे criticism हम कर सकते हैं but in fact अगर हम 50 लोग का भी काम करें तो भी हम ना कर पाए है ना because it needs a lot of work to do right so before criticizing before criticism is done we should think about it yes so social problems of the people there are many social problems economic problems so it is the work of the government to
Ma'am,
take various steps
what,
to solve
ma'am,
all these problems
judiciary means
judiciary નહીં judiciary
what
okay
is ma'am?
judiciary એટલે all this police and all this work they are doing for us. Laws જે ફ્રેમ થયા હોય એ laws implement થાય જ કે નહીં? કે આઈનાને જોબ કરવા તો નથી જવું પડતું ને બહાર, અને આઈના જો જોબ કરવા જાય છે બહાર તો એ ક્રાઇમ છે. મોદેસા જઈને કમ્પ્લેન કરી શકે છે પોલીસમાં કે આઈનાને એના પેરેન્ટ્સ જોબ કરાવે છે, તો એ ક્રાઇમ છે કે અમુક એજ સુધીના બાળકોને એજ્યુકેશન જ મળવું જોઈએ, એ જોબ ના કરી શકે ક્યાંય. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? તો એ
Yes,
જે
ma'am.
છે એ જ્યુડિશરી જોવે, ધ્યાન રાખે. આઈનાની એજ છે કે આઈનાને એજ્યુકેશન મળવું જોઈએ, ફ્રી એજ્યુકેશન મળવું જોઈએ, તો એ કોણ ધ્યાન રાખશે? જ્યુડિશરી ધ્યાન રાખશે. આ બધું જે આપણા કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનમાં લખેલું છે, જે રૂલ્સ અને રેગ્યુલેશન્સ લખેલા છે, ઓકે, રેડ સિગ્નલ પર ઉભું રહેવાનું છે, ગ્રીન સિગ્નલ પર જવાનું છે, તો જો તમે રેડ સિગ્નલ પર નીકળી જાઓ તો ઈ તમે લો તોડ્યો તો ઈ કોણ જોશે? જ્યુડિશરી પાર્ટ જોશે કે હવે કેટલું ફાઇન ભરવું પડશે, તમારી પાસે સિગ્નલ હતું કે નહીં,
Yes.
તમે કોઈના ઘરે ચોરી કરી, તમારા ઘરે કોઈ ચોરી કરી, ઓકે,
Yes.
થેફ્ટ, રોબરી, ક્રાઇમ કર્યું, તો એને શું પનિશમેન્ટ આપવું? તો તમારો કંપાસ લઈ જાય તો એને હેંગ ટીલ ડેથ કરી શકાય? ફાંસીની સજા આપી શકાય?
No.
નહીં. ફાંસીની સજા કોને મળવી જોઈએ? Who should be hanged till death? The person who has committed a murder or such type of crime.
Crime. Yes.
અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? તો આ બધું
Yes.
કોણ ડિસાઈડ કરશે? ભાઈ મારો કંપાસ તો બહુ પ્રિશિયસ હતો, મારા મધરે મને ગિફ્ટ આપ્યો હતો, હા, એને કોઈ ચોરી કરી તો એને તો ભાઈ હેંગ ટીલ ડેથ કરો જ તે, એવું ના ચાલે. હે
Yes.
ને?
No.
હે ને? તો આ બધું કોણ ડિસાઈડ કરશે?
Judiciary.
અન્ડરસ્ટુડ?
Yes, ma'am.
અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? હુ હેઝ ગિવન
Yes,
લાઈફ
ma'am.
ઇમ્પ્રિઝમેન્ટ? લાઈફ ઇમ્પ્રિઝમેન્ટ કોને મળવી જોઈએ? કોને એવું ક્રાઇમ કર્યું છે એને? હોસ્પિટલ્સમાં એડમિટ થાય છે કોઈ પેશન્ટ તો એને કેટલી ફેસિલિટીઝ મળવી જોઈએ? ડોક્ટર ઓફકોર્સ કહે છે કે આને આ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ આપવી જોઈએ, આ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ આપવી જોઈએ, પણ ફેસિલિટીઝ કેટલું ફ્રી એ લોકોને મળવું જોઈએ, કેવી રીતે મળવું જોઈએ, એ લોકોની ઇન્કમ કેટલી છે, એ બધું કોણ ડિસાઈડ કરશે? એ ગવર્મેન્ટ ડિસાઈડ કરશે.
Judiciary.
અને એવી ગવર્મેન્ટ ડિસાઈડ કરશે, અને એને ફોલો થાય છે કે નહીં એ જ્યુડિશરી ડિસાઈડ કરશે.
Okay, ma'am.
અન્ડરસ્ટુડ?
Yes.
જ્યુડિશરી બેટા બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઓર્ગન છે આપણી કન્ટ્રીનો, બહુ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઓર્ગન. Understood everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just as how executive is important, है ना? Just as how executive is important, okay, what laws you have to execute to the people. Yes, same as same, judiciary and legislative is important. Understood, Rabia? Understood, better?
Yes.
Yes,
Any
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
till here?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood what is government? Who will say me what is government? Without seeing on my
yes.
screen, huh? Without seeing in the textbook. Who will say?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, what is homework?
होमवर्क अभी तो कल का लेसन तो पहले की कंप्लीट करो.